ane ka igusu to aso Solomon Ofosuware and the supporters chairman Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko NCC no na washa probase epeso Kenya ne supporters no medical te ho dia chosha se o Ghana ena okopiem e wo UK me no e kasai dwumadi no aba na wieye over the weekend ye hwene nim se on Wednesday obetu abepiem e wo krodua mu ena waka to supporters ne trimu se yankwoti adrumra no ane sika ya nti Kotoko obetu awrane ni ya jesa mosomo boa na financially bibia ekoso yi
board of directors ntimi ne Kotoko nti fienu mu ye de ma o fienu ne baso se ye no man te yi a o ma ba bu ku afi si jabo o so a biru ba bi a o meji ye ne boss nti fa o taku o me fa na simple na ye fa mo ne fa me ta board of directors no echi ye bia me ne ma kasa maiwa a o mo si so a ya bi tu o mo fo o kwa ye Ghana ha be ma na be kwa ko mo yi bia no asa ko sidan onyi do bi aso me ni mi ku bra abre Yesu ba papa nti wo yo ba na o smart be ma no 80,000 now the 50 cities akonu una de mumu enkwa na o ka ho bi nti board of directors dey iska yes supporters our CD bi kono ne ka ho bi support ko ne ko ye yitima board of directors if 500,000 every month kwa anti one e be bom me ko yese ya na didi no a ne esa kasa na monto players yo he mintimida na se dum be a me die se me fa course na ebu wa na kwa na ye dum asem eso na because of Kotoko president na manfa
Solomon Ofosuware ekasemi ediche UK supporters ewo Kotoko ho na se eba mu die ma me mfa we nwuram bia na owura ejedia o say please can you give me the name of the Ivorian DM currently training with Kotoko? Kingsley Owusu Sechere from Taifa, Burkina. The question will be sa enono. Me wabako wa hamede tuaso edi amase na waba abiwrem. Okay, mame enhwe semenya. Also please, is it true the midfielder that came to Kotoko from Nations FC has been given a second chance? Asking because I heard he was part of the training this morning. Michael Leslie Amwako say faka solo die huna yemi Asante Nemra has
Chairman Ofosuware gusubo na probo na and it's a good one season na itwe mu no nyoma nko ya ma Asante Kotoko nti bra ye durusu na se Kotoko obia o tumi a wajujumadi e bia sini na aso bia ne timisi form na ahoboaboa no Kotoko mpanimfo ne keja ne gum because of us all sha Kotoko be here massive attendance of Baba Sports Stadium pa oko Accra obe here bi oko Western oko Bono we say of us steady teams in Accra na ya wo Bechim BA Bechim Brekum Chelsea Young Apostles DBB ena Adriana te won kwae 15 points e will be we also region is here Asante they about say buy football for no e ko so afa dada na the onen kwampo no 15 points so me na we 30 of ultimate league with me we ho it means say in Kenya ne koso the chairman solo decision say obekọ region bia no no start akeka supporters no akeka omo ho hye no that's a very good one because they say okobi we who problems e wo until before the Congress no be hu obeye no wako Eastern and wako UK in there strategic meaning so be kwa Accra o buy no free UK buy Accra no first nsa no wako Western nsa no my Congress ankasa tisanki kambomi di over I think there is a step in nam ne kwan so pepe na asema chairman e kan die over so if you are privy to the finances of Asante Kotoko now ebia for asumu a obeka de change the chairman kan because nipa miensa na omoye Kotoko djuma na first thing that we need to know say omo brenya sika na omo de aba Kotoko no so Kotoko miya so be start here mo seed money bi ya said the interest count was this we mo nje na mo fa nkoye Kotoko no nti omo djuma omo ye bosome so a de omenya free on amoti bi de abre Kotoko ena over se wa study abrabo ye boya wo ye panyin kura obusuam na yie ba no amfa scan to a wo na abehye nkonwa ana over wo hu bi dana nkonwa na abehye ana na dwono de onu yi scan to on enye on na ebe komo kira akwa se bi ofunu na bo me na me yi scan to na edu anumere so ahoma ke no DJ ni mbo nyuma me na me nsa akwa je DJ ni omo de bi ti master de emiano ma mpanimfo na ofiri omo de omo ahode mbo omo na nu aduane no bo so bi ayi sika no mo nje mo nkodi dwa no e ma ni mpo no e ya de onu yi sika no normally enye so no na poso otena aduane no so mbe ni yi a ka di agorokro mbe ho se yi abefia do yi sika no se yen fo ba na bi oba panyini bo onu yi sika no e ma bi o ha ba so mo hye se aduane be ni etu obetena be no no ote ho a e ye fa se kan ma me munku aponte ne mfamra o darete onye adwumade ni bi nti se wo pese wa no duru dwomu pa o fe se ode tumi ta akire tumi ni bebere na iska ti de chairman e kanyina na ese sika board of directors ne ba be yidi aye Kotoko se chita kuo no ampe sika ni bia mfa nko two table so ofa o ma mpe die mu odu kakra mfa nko a omo tumi no ebe hwinhwan
and na idiom kaso mo pe bia betu table so men ne say omo de ndie got to do with so meba park but we dey only UK for the kasenti no omo kra say na no idiom so ye no we gina omo ahodo on say
nyina ye kwan obefa so mo anu aduru dwom no for instance nyem fa ne say on a match day Kotoko ticket if me ton be 10,000 nyem fa ne say 10,000 ye average no 20 cedis kra na. We are talking about almost 200,000 Ghana cedis. As Sika Kotoko supporters, the Kotoko every match day. Sika no 2 billion. And we are direct. Me and your fabu sensor over a cap 10,000 over by sports stadium. That is a chess stadium number 4 Kotoko Alpha 1. And 110 ebe empty. And the 10,000 I can want some no. See a chess stadium number 4 no. Me ayi ba concern na chitafo aba dia can be empty okay because baba have for almost 40,000 to 10,000 25% of the stadium maybe abusumi bi offer for abu sensors e be so no na Kotoko supporters me contribute to e be 300,000 Ghana cedis of abu sensors e be am contribute to 500,000 Ghana cedis of abu sensors and no see direct out to me ko tumpani fo anim e be Kotoko region bia o matimi ahye in such a way say but Kotoko na akopɛ the hotel obeda enye na ekopɛ hotel na ma ba mo koda hotel na yen supporters ye was our region over ye be faka we nya direct contribution oba sure say omo yes ade we a omo frɛ board chairman na o ma oba frɛ board chairman
ushia na to nsa frɛ no a
obeba
ode ampopo beba
yes
so who say chita bi ta na chi
because imagine say month be almost 500,000 me kwa away I was the Kotoko kwa away a fuel am de be kwa away ni e betua e bi estimate e bi Kotoko
o fair to mo obi ma nsu ya na group yi okay
plus obi ma nsu fuo yi o ma hye o mo ho a bi atema nsu lo da no say duru say Kotoko kwa away bi a fuel
e be fa
e betua ka ma nti e bi a say Kotoko away trip Friday a Wednesday ne bi a check no
aba
akwakoto secretary ho
saba ku de na mo some support to say bia nka Kotoko obo hom omo obi ma so mo ntimi mai no mo to take it say enkofo nko sa mo say kwa wade free
yeah kan nyina na say over when the contribution is visible like you enya no but edaho a wo katena se nipa ne trase utimi ka se season no so na mo nto players a odika no fa bia adakwaja achi ayeyi last time Kotoko video am ne buy inside Kotoko YouTube
sure
of our share omo acknowledge e ball circles mpanimfo abaso so wo no mo start
yes
inti se wo ye bibisa never say Kotoko awie agent na e be da asore the supporters oma company wo se nkonya be na mo de be good dem oma je list wo de mo nje list e bisa mo de mo budget e se mfo nkonya se ne ye interfere se ye ne e kotonti no ye bisa mo so de 200,000 wa mo nje mo nkoto
so no kwa ya ho me kai pa lumba ti ase ne 60th birthday na me de me lovers fo ko nkran na obobo kura omuta na chi no boy ye de fra wote ho a wotimu se
tie no no
unya rehemu
bi na se wo de wa no tumu a opanyini ni ntimi ntwentwen ne na asesa ba kwa kwatere kwa
o kan wano a
na untimi mfa bi mba na wo so nipa na ye no wo so wo san ba be ntwentwan na mu dia wo be ma adwuma na ye din
ba ya no mo sha se bato mu ntimi mfa nkosi awie ni nyina no ye nka mo kwade nka mo ko obi ma so bata se Ghana suna na wo mu to the sense ye nwe ni ntibi wo kra fa bu sense so me na ho ntua bibi se na asie nipa na ye pe no every kotokwanti me deactivate me ntua then ye be
was study me ta ka se ekuo no de okasa ma kuo no ho hia pa
okay
idea from day one your board ni din maka free say nipa de nipa bufu be baba asem bia de ano na eka eduru ba bia betime anya obi a ofa kwan a opie na sa asem na basen obekasa awie no nipa ne bu afu se den kura na nakoma tone. I think that is one big issue. Oh, but I na eduru ba bia mpanimfo no so hu ni se kofu mo kasa ekura mo fa hwemba ntine ya na ebuo ni media so mo de mo no na eno so ate. But the point I'm trying to build is that sie nyina enye ho ntiase se mpanimfo miense ye kotoko adwuma yi ye mo musika bia eyo mo botom sika a of an committee dia yo chilling betimi dia yo business betimi dia a support o busua e na so mo de ba ye kotoko ye te sa ade na se a ye behu kwa e be fa so adi adwuma ne ye number 1. Number 2 ye te sa ade na se no sa ade na esen hu ni se kotoko ne ye nyina ye dia nova obi mbe yi ni sika e ma wo mbeta akiri tire kura no fa ebi kura wo stadium kura wo mba e ma meka se ye nyina ye dia ye nka no kura nkyere ye ho no kura bi ofa ne kan den ntina me start we abusuam na abusuam ye nyina ye dia de bo fa asemba yetimi she date abusuam panyi timi ko she date for program na brochire for na tonkra ba se ye ne be date ni atwekwan anim abusuam panyi to what mbo ne tirim ko mate ase
ko so fa hwema
no date na wa se ne sa won twa omo akoye ne he de besi ana fa hu bi abusuam bi
wande sisi da na se
kwade na se ba ku bi bai papa ne mama yansa wa brochire amakoye meeting ai bibia awie 1 week commercial date omo ye na mo ne ko ba so 1 week scanner mo nya de mo mfa na mo nche na se mo se what is almost 1 week sika no eno no mba be pe bi account se wo ma mo nche di mo nche 1 week sika no mo share meeting na se no na mo nka se ne ye na be ye fe mo nka nkyere ye omo come say no ne highest omo say there bi wo so se ka no omo kika wie o ana omo suma ba ko bai on scan see no so ko no otua abusu apani date opia ko anim enti so hu se wo peso anu duru dwom a ofa mescan techiri enti se ye nti we ye nti ase ena we watimu aka me no ofa wamfa bibia nto akira mpanifo betua fa so. And that is my point. Enti the chairman solo ye no he is indirectly or ignited a passion within the supporters, especially the financial contribution part, tikasem ne part no. And that is what we take Kotoko to other places. Enti empanifo nso ma super ebia ofa entimi nye enti omuntimi ntua players nyina aka but kitwe bi kura na ye hu ni se eba enna na ya ma other WhatsApp groups no any other Kotoko groups no mo ye nya mo nyam wo mpanifo ni bi anim over circles no ankofo ante wona se free say if those people no mo contribution no over now na ya kwa ss ebi mo so circles no na Kotoko kwa awu am na gina nim ya gitum but na no ya ye more of individuals said that thing in Kumasi a ubu am de ma da chin because obi o Kotoko bi anim so ko westerner opanyini na ankasa atu hu acho de 30 no so me yo say chema fuzi aba Kumasi mo bi disrespecting that etine kuo no de na eya ba ye more of individuals bi ba ne hu kuo na nipa o mo se fa nse nipa na chichiri kuo de ba fa ye nya kuo na ankasa anko ete bi a chema solo bottom ska chema fuzi bottom ska ebia dachi ni bottom ska na kwam bottom ska esese ye ekuo ne ma no na ye consistent nti on de odika me nso no bi bisa se DM no DM anya ne Abdul Kadir Abdul Kadir yes
okay
na ofa inchirimu na eba na no den me de mi hui bom se bo no de opia
for
now no ten klama ye hu se emfa on so because here who's Augustine Randolph aba amadanase
boa hin so
madanase aba amadanase emianu miensan fa plane free Cameroon etwa Nigeria
adamase
the things on me transit crowd Togo sana mo san aba
kana she
ya adamase momoko. So that should tell you say for now no money nye fa over e wo form a obeda wase amoako because nyan say even Kotoko youth team players no say starting no modoso ba du ba no ma bia hu say be be person odi ku ne kono e ma ho ode no wo form nti do mo nko youth team ho na de obetimi ayan so be retimi register maka 10 na efi ni makwan say youth team players 10 will register them but say senior team na mu de omo ato omo nsa from ye be 9 pe Abu Adamsi and right back no Lawson Bismarck no Bismarck Ofori no and then the say or goalkeeper no or the naba because that's one Benjamin Chum ko no my youth team goalkeeper naba nti e kire say ne standard no wosoro initially once na me ka say na me hwa ade ni din na mu say so oba fom kakra because odi agura
our players akwa abra wunya ntobi
but at the end it looks like the plan is not just to conquer Ghana.
Okay.
The plan is to also do well in Africa. There's a standard, no, an Africa standard. No.
Oh, yeah, to
ho. Though obe good in some kakra based on the etne of our own yirimutare, you do all bit me consider kakra. Now you abokwan bi aton no amane break kakra no ahese be far. But it looks like most of the players need to improve to reach a level now person the ball ne kono. Ejuma na sini nya ejuma ketwa. Go fa umpo. Young go fa South Africa nimba. Emfa Holland ninka.
Ntiana that amount.
Beje gangran. Yen nya hwe kura no. Esi hu se esi park ne so a. Titafo no be kofirom de coach yi de se ne tie.
So bodesh kakra na oboba sa so kakra.
Tie no se no ne di kan da ho. Na no ne koso na nkunimdie no so na mase. Okay. Se bi abebo be nnu no. Na nkunimdie be miensa ne fa ana nan ato ase. Na ball pano so no udi flu.
Okay.
Tie no de top brema. Ntino
waka kade na nations midfielder na yasa friend bi wana.
Ene Badu ye training.
Oni Badu won.
Ene team ne che 11
Prince Badu.
Na Badu kan. Once no pana me ka se. Zaki kwa me ka kire o. Ye wi issue no se. Kadre no matese ono no ye sa Roddy mo line no ball ni bi. Sa 6-4 no mo pe ball ne bon. Ya ji atum. On paper teams 17 ebe baba Sports Stadium. Emu be 10 ebe gina kire omo ne Kotoko contingent mbo. On paper. Emu be 10 de omo ba omo gina kire. No ma catch you on the break. Jeba ne sana, you need every player to create something on the field, especially every who's a 10 clan so system here or pass it free chiriba. Into me goalkeeper and pass it. Be do be defender, center batsman and pass, be do number 6 wa. Na o chen. Into your honey beti ase. Especially home. Every nim say team ba be gina chiri. But now boy, you wa follow Ghana League bi aso nim say. Ye wo ba bi bebre a wo be kwa. Ese se wo ma enko ni mu ni bab. Sa na yen ye ball ne tie. In South Africa,
so boy enko ni mu na de fe kakra na de enko mu nko akosi we.
Offer. Mati wana se.
President enko ni mu do so. Ya wo hwe.
So fe duru ba bi a. Mom. Enko ni mu no uyi free ma nye yi.
O me pre na wo boy no na de we de kakra fra.
No on say you will be ane de ode ba. You obi wa enko ni mu no. Eso po obi onim pass gina no.
Okay.
Enti okọ ni mo ji ye na nipa na be.
Na wo so aje akopa akoyemi. Ati ase.
Wow.
Mati ase.
Enti obi ane kwan e fa so. Especially yen ye ha ball no over me say yen ye krum ha ball. Wontimi nyim film da. Your park bi abekọ. Wontimi pass 3. Ball ne be bobo so. Ama out player no control be fa na na ase. Enti ye gitum say coach ni person ye ne sa. Ba me na no pande na me kan say if any issue of discipline. Na di pan ye committed. O si obi o ade bi wonim. Oba nyina eti wo.
Itime kire.
Ye obi ade bi wonim. Bo wa ma na ho kwan say obesua. Sa ahokeka ni mpo ma wotimi sesa wa ade woni pa no because woni say ahokeka ya nipa edi hyempe so osua ade edi me ma ne bre na menya ne mu gidi a ebefa be obi ade wonim ba wa ya ahoma so ozo fa bu ade wonim ba on sanye sutie ma won kire no enti Badu de ne nte saa na bi obema ne ho kwan asua oba I think our game ayebo ekuru ma no there are certain values of our call no enye ball fe ne de wini
okay
enye ball fe ne de fa points
but as I say
baby o e ball fe but your baby also of our kwa e so de katahye ne den ekofam they should oh o sha akakra no sha akakra in your decision making over
yeah bahas na mamemfa we na ne boja couple a hye ne dwumadi ase ene weekend ne de na o monitor problem ya hwe nyema ekoso a na ofiti ase no Zach do no so dey on board no say player bia no contract mu ya we has player there obema na equal opportunity na wotwi a eda ya nimi ono so a chese ntia e wo se usi akan ede ba has ena wasa sere mpanimfo ne say the final weeka wadi wie ne preseason ne there ana ne final preseason na yi no obepese ombe free Accra na omonso akoba bi se there Kotoko so ye bia obepese next week omonso be konkan ti de ode ba no.
No, sir. You see, preseason said that faces. So, as time goes on, na ukuweni. Ana teams and time pese o tina fako ana no comfort zone na preseason. The entire omompe omo comfort zone tina ne ye. Family pressure, friends pressure, you know.
Send family pressure no, and then need na phone so. Man pressure cry man on the phone so.
Oh, but unse.
And I will call you more. Then the ba.
Unse. Yes, phone it more pressure phone. But see, when you are, yeah, because family.
So outside, I want to concentrate more as a player.
Yeah, players. Kotoko die, for example, motive for kwa. Obi atinifio. Sana nkese ye. Otinifio no kwoti ni ba kroma say na we want to maximize so sikasemi no you managing nyama. It all fear pressure. Enti the thing say preseason is a time you there a prepared team no e go face 30, 34, 38 matches. Enti ana do some period be they want to go off sa pressure we nyina to have a sound place, no pressure, only thinking about football once ofifia football okofia football now before they return. Entiana that is how mostly is good. That's how tired and say yeah Abdul Kadir almost at ofie no makwa wonten no makwa ya then they return back home and played a final game and start on master season no so na nu hu basa omo England omo bo fani match nese ko mo ba ko no mo cancel here na no Real Madrid eko etu kwan is it Austria here from ko bo match Man United akobo obako Norway akobo Liverpool and USA so Chelsea eko Australia almost aso ko Hong Kong Tottenham omo Australia eti obia you go out unso omo no ana the system na style bi sawo nya omo ko pesika o wasa omo prepare no they also use it to generate money because Australia can want say obi na organize match no omo musika no makobo sa match no Barcelona sika Real Madrid dey to kwan sika so by the end there because of how our system is in terms of commercial wise poor down until it means those things no even generate resources like others you know I agree with couple say yes you start then you find him an environment that's obey very sound, no friends, young pianko bia thinking about football. Then again, you know, a new coach there, Oba, the first thing of the answer say you do internal justify.
Yeah, bro, we na NSA, we before be NSA there. Oba na matisi so when you there straight away no amako.
Now that is poor on their part, and I had the problems about no. You see, observe the panel. Man who say observe no. And now, well, we and now was say uncle. but we as Intino, I can be a bad influence, I can be a bad person, I can be a ABCD and then under you.
Then you'll be.
But you'll be. And until I say, would take a Biana man that to become second chance to see, say, they would say, no, no cray, and I said, no cray. At least we saw with Stinkler or by giving all the players the chance to prove themselves. Say, bet me, I play my team or not. Why is hard, you know? Even
though no one ya obi ahwa dance di no or they no good
no good or no say
be chere sentia.
The report is there, but me share report no show. Then ma fa wo de mehu no e dia compare report no say pepepa. So I say
e be crowd report to me fa Kotoko de nyam fa to ho. Your player be a can suban fa no nanso nam so ba ya ne mo de mo konka ni to atu suban na to atwene.
Yes.
O yusu no.
And yet o yusu no what say sa suban
yeah.
On the video.
Yes,
so what I say. It's good that he gives everybody a chance. Say, Momra, I'm a new person, I'm a new coach here. Until let me assess you and see, say no money here. Now, if more there, she bet me I maintain one, then they maintain. If they cannot, they do. Now, based on the reports now, me got last week, it was so confidential. I said, when we that they were ready to pay. Now to be a teacher.
Sure.
After last week, the only thing that I almost in a bank process na a delay process na any young boy, but they are hoping say very sure say week ready everything will be sorted out. Then they are able to also buy new players because maybe as you know, Claire said they have to do additions. Coach, one of Munkumadi Mama say, and put a drag discussion around about now, member because he wanted to get assurance.
About between I am making
signings because he's aware, he has seen the team. Say, on team for certain and me and Yashi, I will leave him. We welcome him, Waba. So I know him terrain that.
Oh yeah.
He has coached in Beijing. I will coach you on fence Takwa. I coach you at Tama. So this will be his 4th club in Ghana here, and Munya in the Premier League. So he knows the terrain. He understands the terrain, and he man the benefit of that name. So almost at the preseason, almost started games bar. Then we see when after Hassan so be actually almost can then you additions of me because I see a lot of players be a monobody didn't come but in your question, banner dominoes into now, this boy, Oko Carrera, was it Omomani Evans?
Seusu.
Mogomati as a queen,
Mr. Coach, and I do my painting or get it open.
I couldn't impa. Him say, Minim, the fitness level high it is and Oko Carrera. Say, one said I exploded at Carrera like that, yeah, expecting. See, we'll see if you're your chance not house fuka. Okay, he can be able to prove himself.
Sir, I guess that's when I am for course.
Over much is expected from Hard to Folk this season. Almost the third, and I'm going to technical team. No more says
didn't call.
It means that the first and second. And I'll find you
Sir has a Bobrania first. I'm not going to talk about first. So.
Niboja couple, a lot is expected of him. And be that answer. How to folk decision to pay off the debt to a coach, Rene Hedenk, over Triana Ba, but Empire Bonnie is on Bissuin BB free. That is what I'm expecting. Well, if a BM says CBMA, many sure say, if any puppy Briamoma can be a defender in penny for work hard to folk say. Because no crane fan no crane cancer transfer ban near the 2 houses on Amboaku. Menyan chasing a bimo castle house cried do baby I saw no adding impose transfer ban at Tonoso. Okay. So what the transfer ban one casa the beton so now we ye be Zach. So we ye be bina over. Tebia when your generation of youth team players be Open in the next 4 years more playing time to why the band be too also fine. But has team here last season man you buy and you for any opportunity where has team work I said it was a project so it was a blessing in disguise. And that we are apart from or says CB Baba Demu Ransford Mensa Yaman Kwabefi of us any part me bomudin apart from the contract the Gusuka or says CB dear Aman Kwabefi dear Solomon Agbesi any Benjamin Asare Agbesi nam kwanso open the baby afa. In some extent Senya Saban Nanka has and register Agbesi as an amateur player. Man the contract won say sembe asem foforo. Into the ban no I be say sometimes a blessing in disguise. And should to has anko baby ya. If you were Abdul Karim Nebo, only Hussein. These are not young guys. Ukwe ni mo say na has any mo ikrova. So we kra dan in same belief peace we say. Hamza ne nam he. Mauli wa yo ne nam he. Enti ban no baby I'm me free bano. Me who a son fa so a at the bread house. Just hope for the best. Say Sabre, so what time I'm so sporting director. On the Mribo interview say has we youth team players ni be kuna so krana. Omanyi. Say I heard him say director of football and technical director for house. Oba be structure house team ni. Over the investment I could have to focus on. Any Diana has a Bob Raja Dadano. Nesenke after 11 years under Tubira of Anka has conning data. But decisions we know a team are coming consistency affect the club. So let's just hope say a fade yet. Omo hit the ground run. Among Sisemi over right to dream for Nomoti Accra ho. Cheetah FC Honomotio. Sa Nancy Man Probi Royals. And a Kutubabis United for ya of a Mutunton to play squad brutal. Okay. Those clubs cannot tell us they have the pedigree and the purchasing power than how to when it comes to Yensan Kalane Bobon. Of an answer was steady a blasters. Eastern boys no vote and Cape Coast. And so has to be done Kayababa Ghana. Nanka Ope, Northern sector now. Young talent will be a offer. Now has swap building academy to the extent say our solid partnership on near players called Paul Tone, Bragani Adino. Now can play be a PFJ or Southern sector obia. Oh, pro so be has academy.
Mofia by Mon Pai be rebem.